Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about a question that so many of you have been asking. What's the difference between data science and data analytics? So if you want to know the difference between these two fields, or you're wondering which one you should learn or which skill you should learn, whether you should learn data science or data analytics, then stay to the end of this video because I'm going to make it super easy for you to understand. Let's start with data analytics. So think of data analytics as the process of looking at data to answer specific questions. A data analyst takes raw data, cleans it up, and turns it into something useful like reports and visualization. So for example, imagine you're working in a retail store. I want to know which product sells the most. A data analyst will look through the raw data to ask questions like which products were top sellers last month, which regions are performing the best, and is there any seasonal trend? These are the questions that a data analyst will ask looking through a sales data in a retail store. So a data analyst, they use tools like Excel, Power BI, and Tableau to create charts, dashboards, so that they can present an insight clearly. What is data science? Alright, so please, if you're still watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're yet to do so, please do it right now. Like and subscribe to my channel. So what is data science? Data science is more advanced. While data analytics solve specific questions, data science, what they do is that they solve complex questions and they make predictions. They use algorithms, machine learning, statistical model to predict future outcomes or trends. So let's go back to our retail shop example. So let's say a data scientist is employed in a retail shop. A data scientist will be asked to build a recommendation engine that can predict the behavior of customers, to know what they are likely to buy next or purchase next based on the behavior of their past purchase. So this is something a data scientist will be asked to do, to build a recommendation engine. So they will build a model, right, that will be able to predict what a customer will be likely to buy next. So are you seeing the difference between data analytics and data science? So to build this recommendation engine, the data scientists will collect tons of data, like the past purchase data of the customers, even the browsing habits of the customer, even the social media habit or social media handle or social media habit of the customer. They will not use those data to train a model. They will not use machine learning to train a model that can predict the behavior of the customer. They can predict what the customer or what the customers are likely to purchase next. So data science is all about predicting modeling and using a large data sets, even also very messy data sets, to create something new. So I hope you are kind of understanding the difference now, right, between data analytics and data science. Now we're going to talk about the key differences between data analytics and data science. So data analysis, they answer specific business questions using data, right? But data scientists, they use data to build models to predict future outcomes, right? They use data to build model to predict future outcomes. But data analytics, they use data to answer specific business questions. These are the key difference between data analytics and data science. Now, think of data analytics as looking at past data and present data to understand what is going on, right? And then think of data science as looking at data to predict future outcomes, to know what is coming, right? To know what's coming. So data analytics is basically looking at data to understand maybe past or present data to understand what happened or what's happening while data science is looking at data to understand future outcomes. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying and I'm not confusing you guys more. Okay. Data analytics and data science use different tools. So data analytics, they use tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and Excel, Power BI, and Tableau, and SQL language. They use this tool to clean data and analyze data. While data scientists, they use more advanced tools. They use more advanced tools like Python, R, machine learning libraries, and so on. So data scientist has to do with a lot of coding, has to do with a lot of programming, and has to do with a lot of mathematical statistics and so on. Has to do with so much coding and all that. But data analytics just has to do with interpreting data, understanding data, right, to get insight from them to help decision making. To help decision making. So these are the tools that we use in data analytics and data science. Now, I'm moving to the last part of this video. So we're going to talk about how to know which field you should venture into or which of the skills you should learn. So if you know that you enjoy working with Excel, tools like Excel to create reports and visualizations that will help businesses make decisions and grow their business, then data analytics is for you. Right there, you can consider venturing into data analytics. But if you enjoy coding, you enjoy problem solving, you enjoy building models, right, to predict future outcomes, then data science will be a good fit for you, or data science will work for you. But then both of the fields are in demand skills, right? So it all depends on your interest. I would say make more money from one than the other. All I'm saying is that both of them are in demand skills and you can make a lot of money in each of the fields. So it all depends on your interest. It all depends on what you want to do. Alright, so guys, we have come to the end of our video. If you are here to like and subscribe, please do so now. So if you have any question, right, if you have any other thing you want us to talk about, if you have something that you are confused about in the data world and you want me to do a video concerning it, drop it in the comment section, and I'm also expecting to see your questions in the comment section. Alright, and see you in our next video. Bye.